Hello YouTube friends. Well, I have another unboxing, actually an unbagging, because Coach likes to send things in bags. And I actually placed a pretty big order, but only part of it has come. So I'll either add to this one when I get it, or this one might go up and then the other one will come out. So if you like unboxings, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and we'll get going. Okay, so we'll start with the smallest. Now these, it looks like from the information that they sent me, that these came from the store, one of the Coach outlet stores, well, two different stores. So they did wrap them a little differently. They are not in the plastic, but they did a nice little job here. So we'll start with this one. And I took these out of the mailing bags. I hate those. I don't know why Coach sends actual bags in a bag now, but if it's under a certain size, they seem to. So they just came in those mailing bags. I haven't seen these yet. So here we go. I just got a replacement lanyard. I have a black one that I use all the time for work. And these are kind of finicky. I mean, they get kind of mixed reviews, I'll say. It's just the cross grain leather. And this one was in, I think it was rose multi or rose color block. But it's really pretty. It's got kind of oxblood and a really pretty kind of pinky, peachy color. But these are really handy. I have to carry two work IDs. I have to carry a badge that I badge into our new building in. And I also have a picture ID from our old building. So I have to carry both of them. And they have to stay separate or else they'll demagnetize or something. So this really helps because I can keep one back here and then one in the window area. So I like these. And here's the little tag. It doesn't have a price on it for the original price. Let me see what that was. Okay, so the original price on this was supposedly $68, and I got it for $20.78, I believe. Got the little Coach logo there. Now on my black one, this started kind of getting almost like tarnished. It's just kind of like a painted on thing. It's not the actual metal plaque. So if you get one of these, don't be surprised if this starts to, it doesn't rub off. It just gets kind of tarnished looking fast. But I think for 20 bucks, it's fine. It's cross grain leather. They do last a long time. Also be aware that the lanyard neck piece is much shorter than regular lanyards on other ID badges that I've had. So that's something to be aware of if you need a longer one. I don't like them so long that they're like thwapping against my belt buckle or my pants button or something. So I'm fine with it being shorter. Now this is the one I was very, very excited to get. So let's see here. They wrapped it nicely, see? I don't mind if it's just wrapped in tissue as long as it's nice. It's coming directly from a store. And I got a very good deal on this one. This is one of the Creatures bags. But the new Creatures bags from the outlet drop did nothing for me. I was really disappointed because I don't like the, pink with kittens thing. So I was looking for some more fun creatures. And this one, oh my God, I love it. This one, this is so great. I have always been a huge fan of squirrels. I'm one of those weirdos that talks to the squirrels outside and names them. This is really cute. So this was from the men's line. Isn't that crazy? It is so cute, and it's such a good, handy size. So the back is the pebbled leather, and on the sides, the bottom side, and the front pocket. Now the front pocket is split, so you're not going to be able to get a phone in here, just know that. But you can hold other things. But oh my God, it's so cute. I guess that's leather. And stitching. He looks so sneaky, and I love his little teeth. Let's see the strap. Here's the strap. So you've got a webbing strap Just kind of like most of the things in the men's line. I know my Adventurer 27 has a very similar strap, but this one has a little hanging thing, and it came with a pouch, so you can has a little clip right here, so you can just put it on the strap, or you can carry it separately. Now I have a couple Heritage Turlock pouches that are a little bit different. I'll show you which ones I have. So here's the black one that I have. Very different leather. This is the real smooth, shiny leather with Coach embossed on the back. This one is a pebbled leather with contrast stitching. And they look to be the same size. And this one doesn't have a turn-lock, as you can see. It's just got a snap. That's fine. It's very cute. I like it. And it just has, this is not a pocket. It just has Coach embossed right here. So let's see if this one has the tags in it, because this must have been like a floor model. No tags in it. That's funny. Neither of these things have tags. I don't know if they cut them off at the store. They could have been returned, who knows, but I have a feeling they were just like floor models. So let me get the information on this one as to what it is. That would help. This is the Heritage Convertible Crossbody with hybrid pouch and signature canvas with creature patches. So it's very cute. And the original price of this one, according to Coach Outlet, you know how they always kind of pad those, comparable value is $378, and this is, I got it for $128. So I think that was a good deal. To me, if it's under $150, it's a good deal. But it's very cute. Let's put on the strap here. You've got the little hang tag, and I'll show you the inside of it. I think the size is just perfect for if you have to just make a run to the grocery store or something. I like a smaller bag for that. I don't like to have one knocking all over the place. It's kind of bulky. And then I'll put the little clip. There you go. So see, this little piece bends in so you can put it on. It's got the Coach logo on the sides there. Very cute. So kind of the little multi-pochette look that's still hanging on. Usually I don't do this because I don't like where it lands on my chest. I have a kind of bigger chest and I don't need some coin purse hitting it. But I could put it here as well. But it would cover up Mr. Squirrel here, who I'm just crazy about. I think this is so cute. Really love the size. And then you've just got the Creed in the back. No pockets, just black lining. It seems like for the men's line, they don't often put a lot of pockets inside. But I thought this was so cute. It's just so much better to me than the other ones. I'll try and put a picture up here of an example of the women's creature line that came out at the outlet. I was just not a fan. It had kittens and pink. And they had some that were cute that had the signature, and then they had like little hedgehogs all over it. But then they had some that had puppies and kittens, and I was just like, oh, it's not for me. Just personal taste. But very cute. And I noticed that these were also the creature patches that were on the Rogues that were released last year, I think it was. So I think, I want to say the squirrel and the little snail here. See, it's all nicely stitched. These are really cute. It's not just, you know, printed on, it's stitched. I think these were on the front or the back of the Rogue 39, I want to say. And then this and this were on the front of the 25, the bird and the mushroom, I believe. So anyhow, they made an appearance last year. So these are the actual little creature patches that came on the Rogues. So I thought that was just so cute. And then the back is just absolutely plain, just plain black leather. So you can always, you know, don't be afraid to turn your bags around if you want a different look. Just flip it, and then you've got a plain leather bag. So very cute. I really like it. And I like the men's line. I don't know. I'm just a sucker for good quality, and their webbing straps are so nice and thick. They just really have a good feel to them. Kind of more like the boutique line of bags. They're just, I don't know, they're made better. The snaps work better, everything. And this has a little leather tab here. But see, even the stitching that's accenting this is kind of a gold color. It's really nicely made, especially for an outlet, made for outlet piece. So I am happy with that. I think I'm going to take this baby to the store today and see how it carries, but very cute. And then, like I said, if the other things I'm waiting for come in, I might add them to this video. Otherwise, expect another unboxing video. I know you guys like those. So let me know in the comments below if you think this was a good deal or if you've gotten anything from the Coach men's line. I'd like to hear your comments. I don't get tons of comments. And sometimes I ask questions and I really do care what you guys say. So let me know if you think that the Coach men's line is a worthwhile place to check out. I think it's really good. I've had really good luck with it, and I kind of like the darker, less frou-frou bags, so to me it works out. I thought I'd show you guys what actually fits in this cute bag because I did use it and I really enjoyed using it. It does remind me a lot of my Coach Penny Crossbody, maybe because it's got the dark signature canvas on it, but it does remind me a lot of it. But let me pan out a little bit here. What I ended up doing is putting on the just the handle from the Coach signature chain hobo, I think is what it was called. Signature chain hobo. It was the black one that I had, and I ended up getting rid of the bag because the leather was just not good at all. It ended up really getting weird looking after just a few months, so I stole the straps and donated the bag, and it still had the signature chain on it to use as a strap. But anyhow, I went ahead and used this little shoulder strap here, and it makes a really cute little shoulder bag now. So it tucks right under your arm, perfect little strap drop. So make sure you think about using other straps or handles from other bags. They're pretty interchangeable, and even though this has the I think it's the dark nickel hardware or gunmetal hardware, it still ends up working because that kind of blends in with the bag. So I used this on it later, but first time I went out with it, I had the crossbody, which was really comfortable. So let me show you what fits. Now in here, I'm just using this pocket for receipts. There's not too much you can put in this. If it was one long pocket, which would have been great, you could have put a phone in there very easily. So I'm not sure why they needed to divide it, but they did. This could also fit like coins or receipts, but you can't really get your hand in there too much to get anything out. So that's kind of a useless pocket unless you want to use it for, I don't know, maybe a short pen. This one would be my choice of pockets to use in the front. So here's how I have it packed. Look at all that stuff. I mean, for a relatively small bag, let me get the dimensions for you on this. This is about 9 3/4 across, which is a nice length, 6.5 high, and the depth is 2 inches. So that's a good size for a small bag, and it's enough to hold everything. So I've got a scrunchie, I have a hand sanitizer spray, I have my Dooney large card case. Love this thing. This represents my phone, which fits very easily in there. And as I said before, there are no pockets inside at all, just a black hole. Got my little key pouch from Dress Up Your Purse. I have a nail polish in here. This is a really pretty color. Sally Hansen Insta Dry. Let's see if it'll focus. It is something wine, just in wine. Really pretty color. Got my keys, and I even have my glasses in here. And I could have fit a little bit more, so it does fit quite a bit. I just wanted to show you a different way you can use this bag as opposed to just being a crossbody, and show you actually what fits, because I had time to put that at the end of this video. So I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, please make sure to share it, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe for future videos. I appreciate you watching, Until next time.